In this comprehensive YouTube video, we are diving deep into the intricate world of rebar welding, critical techniques, a construction and development through the we are exploring the intricate and optimizing strategies for welding rebar effectively, for choosing the right welding equipment to mastering that art of proper electron replacement and welding techniques. We will lead to storm. Turned out at the end of this video you have gained a comprehensive understanding of rebar welding that enable you to tackle any project with confidence and patience. We will explore the art and discipline of welding rebar from the essential tools you will need to step-by-step performance achieving those protective welds. Either you are scenes pro looking to refine your skills or the new corner areas to learn tutorials will provide you with invaluable insight and techniques to master the craft of rebar welding. We will delve into the deep world of structure. We will explore the intricate welding reinforcement as rebar has solid foundation. Rebar welding is a crucial complement of construction, ensuring the strength and stability of welding. Bring and other instruction throughout the comprehensive guide. We will walk you through the essential tools and equipment needed for the job, safety precautions to keep in mind, and step-by-step instruction how to priority while rebar. By the end of this video, you will not only have a clear understanding of a rebar welding process but also gain valuable insight that can help you tackle similar projects and confidence. Our aim to provide you with a detailed guide on rebar welding techniques, ensuring a strong and durable foundation for the project. We will cover various aspects. Ensuring a strong and durable foundation for your project, we will cover various aspects. For the essential equipment required to integrate welding methods, by optimizing your welding practice, you can enhance structure, integrity, and safety, ultimately saving them resources. Stay tuned as we explore and out rebar welding, sharing practical tips and expert insight to help you master essential skill. Either you are seeing pro or noise welder, the video will empower you to tackle rebar welding project with confidence and precious clarity and quality to longevity of your construction endeavor. Before we dive into the aspect, let's emphasize the importance of safety. Welding rebar can hazards not done correctly always near appropriate safety gear, including the welding helmet, gloves, and flame resistance upon shore working as well. Ventilated area weight to flammable material and heavy to extract nearby. Additionally, make sure using right types welding machines and electron for rebar welding. Now let's about the tools and equipment you need to rebar welding. Covers components include a welding machines, a factory profitable one-side work welding electrode, a welding helmet with protective lines, welding gloves paired with pressure and chipping hammer you will require to power and source you can greater electron. Cutlet, the first step is rebar welding. Precautions start cleaning the rebar so any rust, paint, or contaminant surface but compromise the weld quality. Use fire brush and remove these. Ensure a clean, smooth surface next ensure make rebar according to project specification precautions and crucial in rebar welding even more deviation effect.